Okay, so just coming up on the gatehouse here, and it's in dispute how far out Highway 60 is. The paper says 1 kilometer, and the construction sign says 2 kilometers. But it's a nice ride, beautiful ride actually. So let's go see. That's where they filled in the road, the old road, with stumps, go figure. And this is all the new road here. New dump station off to the right. Hopefully ready this year, but who knows? Nothing happens quickly. Not working today, but today's Sunday, so it's not shocking. And not today, it would seem, but the only thing that could be of interest here would be the swamp across the road here. Well, not for bears obviously, but more for moose or something. But there's absolutely nothing going on in there today. It's really still out here. Really still, really quiet. And we'll just go up Highway 60 here. Not too far. Daisies are out. And up on my left here, this is the old entry to the Canisbay Road where they put the stumps in. Maybe they think it's going to regenerate it quicker. Maybe it will. Here comes what looks like a park truck. Sometimes you'll get a hint, because if they all start pouring into one of the parks, it's usually an indication something's going on by way of a bear. but there is not any evidence at all this morning of moose or anything. Nice day for it though. A couple of years ago, it could have been last year, at the end of this road, well, not the end, just past that rock cut, there was a great big moose. Stepped out, kind of walked across the road, and he was in the vicinity for a while, but I haven't seen him this year. And we've only seen moose behind me, which is east. There we have it.